What is going on, everybody? This right here is the Amazon Echo Spot. Of course, it's powered by Alexa. It has a 2.8-inch touchscreen display. It's got Bluetooth, hands-free with Alexa, everyone knows that, microphones, on and off button, and of course, in-app privacy controls. Now, of course, these are some of the routines and commands that you can give Alexa. You can give Alexa just about any command if you want to. Of course, this is a smart speaker with a display, and of course, Alexa, because this is an Amazon Echo device. So, without any further ado, let's unbox it. Right here is my knife, and let's see here. We got a little bit of tape right at the top. Very easy unboxing right there. And of course, I'm gonna also peel off the Best Buy thing here. So this way nobody could see that. I don't think there's any reason to open the bottom, but right there, right away, we are met with the star of the show. Now, of course, this display looks pretty nice. It's basically almost half a half circle. Of course, you got your volume up, volume down button, and of course, you got your microphones right here, and the speaker is right here. And then, of course, right here is the bottom. Right there, you see the Amazon logo right there. So we'll just put that down. And of course, next, you have the plug. Of course, this is a standard power plug. We'll just put that down. An instruction manual. Well, two of them actually. So we'll just put them down right there. So right away, you're met with a beautiful display. Of course, I showed you the Amazon Echo Spot just now. And of course, this is what it looks like. So let's set it up. Now, of course, right here, I am downloading the Alexa app and it is installing. It's going to be very important for the setup. So we'll just open it. And of course, now I get to log in. All right, so right here, you could see that's my name right there. Of course, I am the account holder, so I will press that. And of course, there's my name. You probably can't hear that, but I played it and it said my name. So let's press nailed it. Right there, your profile is ready. Set up what you care about. Of course, I could set up my features right here. Of course, I can make calls hands-free, provide your phone number, and add your contacts to make voice calls at any device within your household. Use drop to instantly check in on family. That's one of my favorite features. That's great if you have a bunch of Amazon speakers set up. Of course, you can call during emergencies to help keep your household safe. Of course, you can do that as well. So we'll just press continue. And of course, you can allow access to your contacts. We'll just press later. Allow notifications. Yeah, I guess I'll allow it for reminders and stuff. And then, of course, we'll continue. And that's everyone. Done. And of course, this is all the devices. Well, not all of them, I guess. But these are the devices that I have. And of course, we'll set that all up later. Well, I will anyway. But anyway, on to the device setup. Right here on the back. Of course, this right here is where you would plug it in. So we'll just do that. And there it is, Amazon right there. It's actually a small display. It's a little bit more, dare I say, stealthy in a way. So right there, it is taking its time to boot up. Echo, scan to open the Alexa app. So, I mean, the Alexa app is already opened, but of course I'd have to scan it.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in the Alexa app.
Yes, I am aware that the device is ready for setup. Of course,
Tu dispositivo está listo
That's
para la configuración.
right there. It's searching for the
Sigue las
device.
instrucciones en la app de Alexa.
We'll just turn this down. I don't need
Escanea el
Alexa.
código QR que aparece en pantalla
I don't need
para
Alexa talking to me at the present moment. All right, so here you see I have to press Amazon right up top here, and it's obtaining the IP address. Of course, this is actually necessary to get it onto the internet. Now I'm gonna connect it to my Wi-Fi. Okay, so right here you could see that the Echo Spot is now connected, and of course it's gonna update, so we'll just press continue. And of course the device is set up at my address. I can't show you that, so we'll just continue. Of course it's in my bedroom, it's at home. And then of course here's some clock displays that you could choose. I'm probably gonna go with, I don't know, I really like this one up. I really like the basic one, to be honest. So I'll probably go with that. The one on the top right though actually looks pretty nice. It's a little bit, you could see the weather a little bit more detailed. Of course, we'll just press continue now. So of course, if I want to, I could snooze with a tap. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, considering that I try to wake up, but we'll just press continue. And now let's go. And then of course right here, here's all my favorites, which is again, the devices that I have. It's updating still, so we'll just continue to let it update. And of course it's powering off now. Rebooting, and there it is right there. It looks like it's finished booted up. Of course right there, filming as of April 22nd, 2025. It's 8:08 p.m. and yeah, that's your Amazon Echo Spot. But yeah, so now it's all set up, and now I get to put in my routines inside my app, and I will do that off camera. I'm not going to do that here because there's no reason to do that on camera. All right, so now that it's all set up, here's some things that you can do on the device. Like right here is your settings, sounds. Of course, all your settings are right here, Bluetooth, display, and things like that. So we'll just go back, come back down again. This looks like it's some sort of night mode or something, but that's really cool. And then here's your display brightness, goes up and down. Just like that. And then of course right here is the home button to go home. So that's the Amazon Echo Spot for you right there. This is one of Amazon's display speakers. It's a smart speaker, obviously. It's a smart clock actually, just like the Lenovo smart clock that I used to have. I did a review on that a long time ago actually. But go check that video out if you haven't. It's all the way down on my channel. I'll leave a link in the description. Of course, I will be doing a review on this, of course, in the next couple weeks. So subscribe and stay tuned for that. All right, so upon setting this thing up, the verdict is it's pretty good. Now, of course, this is not the full review. I will be doing that later on in the next month or so. But anyway, I really like this Amazon Echo Spot. I think it's a really nice device right here. It is pretty small. I'm not gonna lie, it's not as small as I thought it would be, but it is pretty small right there. Of course, you could see it right there. It's almost a half circle right here. The speaker is like half of the device. And of course, you got the display right up top here. And of course, right here is the Google Nest Hub 2nd Gen. Now, of course, I have Google Assistant on here. I also have Gemini on my phones. And of course, because I have a Samsung phone, I also have Bixby. So if you want to see a comparison of all the voice assistants, leave a comment down below. Also leave a like as well if you want to see that video. I probably will do this. I probably will do that. Tell you what, if this video hits over, I'm going to say, if this video hits 50 likes and 500 views. How about that? 50 likes and 500 views. It has to get both of them. If you want to see a voice assistant comparison in the month of July, if not, I'll probably do that later on in the year or something, but I probably will. I probably won't, who knows. But anyway, that's been it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, comment down below what you liked, what you didn't like, and I will see you in the next one. See ya, bye.